Imagine waking up and every dollar, every coin, every bank balance on Earth belongs to you.
At first, it feels like a dream. But then, reality hits hard.
The moment you own everything, everyone else owns nothing. Banks collapse in minutes. ATMs shut down. Credit cards stop working.
Governments freeze the entire economy, blaming the biggest data breach ever.
You try buying something, but money is now useless.
Why? Because value doesn't come from money. It comes from people believing in money. With every buyer and seller broke, the global market freezes like ice.
Food distribution stops. Fuel stops. Medicine stops. People turn to old-school bartering just to survive.
You try bribing someone with billions, but they'd rather take food.
With the global economy destroyed, governments start pointing fingers. Someone must be behind this.
They track strange financial activity, all leading to one single person, you.
Suddenly, having all the money turns you into the biggest target in history.
You flee, carrying literal trillions, but nobody wants it.
Meanwhile, society collapses in weeks without functioning money.
Billionaires lose everything. Companies disappear overnight.
Ironically, the only person who can restart the world is YOU.
You offer to return the money, but the system is too damaged.
New currencies rise. Water credits, food tokens, energy units.
Your trillions become nothing more than historical artifacts.
People rebuild, creating a system where no one can ever own everything again.
And you? You live quietly, known as the person who broke the economy.
Years later,
people debate whether it was an accident or greed.
But one truth remains. Money only works when everyone trusts it.
Take that trust away, and even infinite wealth becomes worthless.
In the end, owning everything made you the poorest person alive.
Because true wealth isn't money. It's people, systems, and trust.
And once trust is gone, nothing can replace it. So if you ever owned all the money, you'd destroy everything money stands for. And maybe that's why no system ever allows true total ownership. Checks and balances exist for a reason.
Because power without limits always ends in collapse.
you wanted wealth, but you got responsibility.
And the world learned a priceless lesson. No one should control everything.
Because true value is shared value.